must know before starting a dropshipping business. Let's get into it. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So I'm the Ecom guy. I have 2 years experience when it comes to marketing and growing a channel on social media, and I'm a beginner in e-coms. So let's get into the video, and at the end I have a bonus tip, so stick around for that. Number 1, so if you are starting your store on Shopify, you will need to pay $200 for the year after the 14-day trial expires. So when I made my store and I was about to go live with it, and then I saw that I had to pay $200, and that was like tax. Once your 14-day trial runs out, you have to pay $200 because you are using the premium features. You can use everything. The second thing is, you actually need money to start out when dropshipping. If you are from South Africa, you will need at least 7,000 to 15,000 rand when dropshipping, because you will need to pay for your store on Shopify or Wix or WordPress. If you want to see a video where I talk about the prices of different websites and the features what they have, drop a like, subscribe with notifications to not miss out on that. But anyways, let's get back to the video. So as I was saying, you're gonna need at least 3,000 rand to start up just your store alone for the year, and then you'll need marketing money. So you will at least need to spend 7,000 rand on marketing a year, because you need to spend a lot of money every month on marketing so that more people can see your page and your product. Or you can do the organic method, which will take a bit longer. Eventually it will get you the same results. So let's move on to the last thing what you need to know. As you can see by many other YouTubers, they make it look so easy by getting $1,000 or $10,000 in like 1 or 2 weeks. Well, that isn't the case for you. It will take at least a year or less to gain some profit if you do it correctly. And this is not a short-term process, this is a long-term process. And you will only be profitable once you start making at least 100 orders a month, which is a lot. And that is really important to know, because you can't come into the dropshipping world and expect to get money fast and become successful. It's a long-term thing. So yes, that is the 3 tips I can give you before starting a dropshipping business and marketing. If you guys did enjoy the video, drop a like, subscribe, check out this video if you want to know what is dropshipping and where to get your products from. I'll see you there. Peace out.